There you go. Alright, you ready for this one? We're going to get stuck straight into it. This chicken minestrone is yummy. Okay, so what we need first is 500 grams or half a kilo of chicken thighs. And we want to cut them up, chop them up, not heaps small, but small. We want 2 rashers of bacon and we want to chop them up ready to go. We want to get 1 carrot and 1 celery stick and chop them up ready to go. Now we need 1/3 cup of small pasta. The only small pasta I've got is macaroni, so that's going to have to do. I need 1 clove of garlic, or I'm just going to use my minced garlic like I normally do. Now we need a can, a 420 gram can. Now we actually need the red kidney beans, alright, but I've only got a 4 bean mix, so I'm just going to use it. So what you do with them when you get your red kidney beans is empty them out into a strainer or a colander, rinse them out really well with water and put them aside ready to go. Alright, we need a can, 400 gram can, around there, it doesn't matter if 20 grams under or over or anything, of peeled tomatoes. We need some chicken stock. You need 1 brown onion sliced up, and we need 30 grams of butter. Now I've got this oregano out the garden. Now if you can't get fresh oregano, use a tablespoon of dried oregano and I'll tell you when to put it in. But if you're using fresh oregano, we put it in at the end. So we need to chop 2 tablespoons of that, and we need 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. Now if you haven't got them, it won't break the bank. It's really nice with them, but it's just as nice without them, alright? Alright, well I think that's everything, so let's cook. I'm using an electric fry pan. But most people will use a saucepan for this, alright? I've got an electric stove top and it sucks. At least this way I can sort of get the heat down a bit quicker with the electric pan. But yeah, preferably a saucepan. Alright, so first thing we want to do is put it on medium heat. So right smack bang in the middle of your heat. 30 grams of butter. You need half a kilo of chicken thighs cut up. Onion. Bacon. You want 1 crushed clove of garlic or a heaped teaspoon or a little bit more of the crushed jar one, minced jar garlic. Mix it all together. We want to cook it for a couple of minutes. Now we've browned our chicken off. We want to put our celery and carrot in and we want to cook it for another couple of minutes, constantly stirring. Okie dokie, a couple of minutes later, in with our tomatoes. All of it, whole lot. Beans, in with all our beans, red ones preferably. 3 cups of chicken stock, in she goes. 1/3 cup of pasta in. Mix it all really well. We want to bring it back up to the boil, and then we want to turn it down to a very low simmer, and we want to do that for anywhere between 20 minutes and half an hour. So basically when you know that it's almost ready is that it will start thickening a little bit, alright? If it thickens too much too quick, you're cooking it too hard, like too fast, okay? So slow it right down to a simmer, alright? 20 minutes to half an hour. Smash out your tomatoes a little bit. Now because I'm using electric frying pans, any of you guys out there that are in the same position as me, I'm going to put a lid on mine for the first 10-15 minutes, because when you've got a bigger open surface than you have in a saucepan, you lose your liquid really quickly. So if I put my lid on for the first 10-15 and then take it off for the rest of the time, hopefully I won't lose all my liquid, and then I'll still be able to cook it off when I take it off. So yeah, if you're using a saucepan, no lid, but like I said, a very low simmer. It's been cooking away for about 25 minutes and it's looking awesome. Now usually you can tell if your veggies are cooked and your pasta's cooked, you're pretty close to ready. So now with the 5 minutes left to go, I want to put the oregano and parsley in. Now if you've got your dried oregano, put that in now. Otherwise your fresh stuff. Mix it up and let it go for another 5 minutes. And it should be absolutely perfect and ready to serve. Oh, it smells so good in here. Well, there you have it, my beautiful people. An awesome chicken minestrone, mate. This is so cool. It serves 4 big bowls easy. Nice bit of fresh bread or some garlic bread. Yum. A little bit of parsley on top just to make it look fancy. How we doing, eh? Thanks heaps for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. I'll be back. Bye.